Let's talk about course expectations. Here we have discussion questions. Your discussion questions are due by Wednesday. Let's go to the rubric. And this is the breakdown of the percentages, and this is all in your syllabus. 14% is discussion questions. MyStatLab, this is your homework that's due every week. 28% labs, 15% your quizzes, which are week 3, 5, and 7, 18%, and your final exam, which is 25%. Well, let's start with your discussion question. Discussion questions are due by Sunday at midnight, like all assignments. And if you look at the rubric, this is how I'll be grading. Make sure you have your first post in by Wednesday of every week. That's so we can have a good discussion. Also, make sure the frequency, you need to post frequently. Just go in. I'll consistently post in the discussion questions. I might put out a question to you whenever I see the discussion kind of getting a little dull. So I like to throw out provoking questions so we can just continue the conversation. So make sure you have at least 3 postings per week on separate days. That's why you want your first post in by Wednesday, so you can have at least 3 in for on separate days. Make sure your quality of posts, make sure you respond with complete sentences. This is not a text. So make sure that your answers are aligned with the statistical principles that we're learning for that week as much as possible. And your posts are worth 20 points. All right. Also, your homework is due every week, and simply you're going to go to, if you go to your modules, if you look in your actual course, you click on modules, and you go down on each week, it has every assignment that's due. It has what you're supposed to do with your reading activities, your discussion posts, what they're worth, and also just everything you need as well under modules, along with the syllabus. So remember, your discussion questions are due Sunday at midnight. Your homework is due every week Sunday at midnight. And your labs, and something else just to note, just your homework, the way it's due, you can redo the problems over and over until you get it right. All you have to do is just do a similar problem and embed it in the MyStatLab. You just click on the textbook and it'll take you directly where you need to read and understand the problem. It also has places on there where you can watch videos that will help you with the concepts as well. And also a place where you can send me a question, and if you need help from me as well, I can help you on it as well. Another good resource for that are my my YouTube videos, because I've already created videos on several of the homework problem types, so it's a good idea to go there as well. So you have labs that are due week 2, 4, and 6. And let's go to an example lab, well, at least the first lab. This is what your lab will look like. This is week 2 lab. In this lab, it's going to walk you through step by step on how to use the software. That's the goal. The goal is to teach you. So you're going to read it. Step 1, click here. Step 2, click here. And as you have questions, let me know. But it's intended to walk you through the process one step at a time. So that's your labs, and you'll have 3 labs in the course. And then your final exam. And I think that's it for the course. You complete all these things, then you will have successfully mastered this course and you understand statistics. But again, you'll get out of this course what you put into it. So just enjoy it. And as you have questions, let me know. Thank you.